In this lecture, I'm going to get you to play along in time with a song. And it's quite important to do that because in a song, there's loads of different rhythms and loads of different instruments and parts going on at the same time. So it's a bit of a skill to adjust your hearing to hear what's going on in the song and where to play rhythmically and musically along with other things and other musicians. So in the last lecture we played along with the metronome, so you've got one specific thing and one sound to listen to. So in a song there's more than one thing going on, but I've chosen a song by the Arctic Monkeys, which is it's just a good starting point really, because the beginning is just the drums, so you can hear where to come in and where the rhythm is and where you should be playing. What you'll be playing is just the bass drum and the snare drum, alternate bass, snare, and you keep going, and I just want you to play that basically. You'll hear vocals come in and you'll hear the guitar come in as well. So let that make sure that doesn't put you off. You just keep that constant rhythm: bass drum, snare drum, bass drum, snare drum, and it's your job to keep in time with the song and to keep a constant rhythm and not to slow down and not to speed up either. So that's the challenge for this lecture. I'll count you in and you'll be playing at the same time as me. So if I just demonstrate the first time, just watch and get an idea of what you should be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got colour in your cheeks. Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee.
Okay, this time you give it a go. Join in with me. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got colour in your cheeks. Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee.
So up to now you've been playing with the hand of your choice. This time I want you to play it with a specific hand. So first of all I want you to play it with just your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee.
Okay, and now we'll play with just your left hand. So left hand only. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got color in your cheeks. Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee.
And lastly, what I want you to do is play with alternate hands. So first of all, play with your right hand and then your left. Your right and then your left. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got color in your cheeks. Do you ever get that feel that you can't shift, the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee.
Okay, so that was a basic representation of playing with a song. Hopefully you can get the hang of playing in time with that song, as it's quite a good introduction to playing along with other instruments and other musicians.